Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. So ito yung next question natin. Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next element. We have here J1017, L1215, N1413. Is it A, R1215, B, P1611, C, T1416, or D, P161 and 8? Okay, so it would seem dito po na napakahaba na po ng mga element. But of course, we can chunk them into respective portions. We have here a combination of a number and a letter series. At the same time, we can automatically decide what the correct answer is if we have these options. But ipapakita natin dito kung ano yung tamang sagot if we don't have these options. So in short, if walang option, hindi na po enough na isang part ng ating element yung makikita and automatically we can identify the correct answer. We need to show the rest. So let's start po with our kahit anong gusto nyo po, I will start with the letter na lang po. Kasi nga, it's just one letter. Unlike the previous videos, we have two letters. So, in one letter here, pag letter po, usually look into the alphabetical order or the reverse order to see what is the structure. So, we have here from J to L. Actually, it skips one letter po, which is letter K. Okay. Yan din po yung number of letters na na-skip from L to N. And that letter is actually M. Looking into this perspective and hinahanap natin yung next element, in short, yung starting letter ng ating next element should also skip one letter from this element here, which is N. So it should skip O. So the next element should start with P. With this in mind, look into our options. We already dropped A and C, because their letter starts with R and T respectively. We are now sure na yung letter po sa ating next element ay letter P. But of course, as mentioned, since here we start with P16 or 1611 and P1618, we differ on the last number. Let's complete it further to decide which of the two is the correct answer. And I would like you to go into this. Kapag may ganitong perspective po kayo, you can chunk this into 2 digits. Kasi when you do, may mga makikita po tayong pattern instead of looking into this one letter at a time or by 1,000, napakahirap po nun. So let's proceed here with the last number. 17 to 15, we have a difference of 2. That's also the same with 15 to 13, minus 2 din po. Now that they are of the same, we're expecting na yung ating element should end with 13 minus 2, and that is actually 11. Di pa natin nakukomplete yung element, madadrop na natin yung letter D, and we can now decide yung tamang sagot is actually letter B. Okay? Kasi it starts with P, ends with 11 or 1 and 1. So this is already okay. Pero, sabi ko nga, what if walang options na binigay? Or kapag may options naman, napakahirap na. Diba? So, we are going to complete it by looking into the relationship of the middlemost number in each element. Let me use color green here. From 10 to 12, we added 2. From 12 to 14, we added 2. So here, 14 plus 2, we expect here, really, 16, and ito nga yung tamang sagot. But of course, again, pag walang option, sasagutin nyo ng ganito. So we need to really look into the principles of each of the parts of the element bago tayo sasagot. We're just so lucky that we have these options, at kahit na yung B and D, we have P16 and they don't differ on the last 2 digits. It's still important for us to complete all the principles if may time naman tayo. Okay? So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. and follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!